Hey guys, today I'm going to be diagnosing a problem on a car. So I got a 2008 Peugeot 207 1.4 litre turbo diesel 5-speed manual. So every time you drive it, when you hit holes, bumps, anything in the road, it's like a clunk sound. So every time I ever get over a bump or a hole, it's clunk, clunk. So I'm gonna have to diagnose it and see what the problem is. It's coming from the front. It's suspension related, so it could be a few things. Can be the shocks. On top of the shock, there's like a mount. They call it a strut mount. It's got like a bearing on there. Could be lower ball joint, sway bar links, and also the control arm or wishbone. Well, that's where the ball joint is. There's some bushings on there, some rubber bushings, but I'll take it for a drive and let you hear the clunks. So, yeah, we're driving. So we're going to take it for a drive now. So when you go with like solid holes, I don't know if you heard that just then. Let's find some holes to generate the sound. Yeah, I don't know if you heard that, it's a clunk. Just go around the block. Some people here, donkey drivers, they go on your side of the road because they think they're driving a big fucking semi-trailer. You probably would have heard some of it. But it annoys me when I'm driving it. This is my car, a little Peugeot 207, and I hate the clunking. I don't like it. Well, that's the Peugeot. That's my Peugeot 208, little hatchback. I like the car. It does the job. That's what I'll show you. It's good on diesel. I've got to fix the problem. Because people, if I sell this, and people hear that clunk, and I'm not like that. I want it fixed properly. So, I don't know if you can see, it could be one of three things. So up the top there, try and get a bit of light. What's my light? Turn off light. So on top of the shock, there's like a mount, a strut mount. That's all rusty. Could be that, or could be this sway bar link. The sway bar link goes here, down to there. And it's just to prevent swaying, sort of to hold the steering in place. Or it could be ball joint. I don't know if you can see that. Right there, there's a ball joint. I'm just trying to pinpoint what it could be. Yeah. Get my fibre. Or sometimes it could even be this tie rod end that goes to the steering, to the power steering rack. Not bad. Could be fucking all of it, man. Could even be as well, it could be something else. Where the ball joint's connected, this thing here, it's called a control arm. Some call it a wishbone. But there's some bushes on there, I don't know if you can see. Down there's some rubber bushing, there's one there, and there's one So it's all done now. The sway bar links. Some call them drop links, but back in Australia we call them sway bar links because that's the sway bar and that's the link that goes from the sway bar to the suspension to the shock absorber. I'm probably going to do the brakes too next. New disc, rotors and pads. Maybe. I'll see. Now I'm going to put the tyre back on and then check the pressures of the tyres, if they're the right pressure, and then take it for a drive. So I've done the sway bar links. Now I'm going to take it for a test drive, see if it clunks. Hope it doesn't, but I think that's what the problem was. So we'll see now. I'm driving. And I've did the tyre pressures to the specifications. So just driving. There's still clunks and there's something else, but nothing yet. It's normal. Yeah, usually it'd be clunking by now. Still take it for a long drive. Try and get the there's chaos if I go left. And there's a ball. And there's a ball. What's this fucking place called? I thought it was Yanisabol. I'm going off the Y, but it's the Welsh alphabet language. Y is like an A. Yanisabol. I say Yanisabol. So still driving. No, it's not. It's hitting normal. It's hitting normal. No more clunk clunk. It sounded like it was metal to metal, sort of clunk clunk. Nice. Nice, Gary. So I think we fixed it, but yeah, I'm still just testing it. For the good streets here. Nice here. It's a nice drive up here. I don't know the rules with holding cameras and driving. It's not like the police enforce anything here in the UK, but just yeah. Might just turn around now. Can't even fucking turn around anywhere here. It's like, check out the streets here. Look how tight they want to be. Just show you again. I'm just trying to find like a fucking side street in and out, but it's terrible here. Yeah. Just going here. Okay, whose driveway it is? Still in Yui. Oh, Yui. No parking here. Oh, don't get too close. Doing one-handed business here. Oh, fuck. Just have to own it. How close fucking cars are and stuff. But it doesn't clunk as it did before at all. It's normal when it hits something. Very happy. That's I installed that. It's an Android So you can do Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. And then you got Maps, Spotify, telephone. Pretty awesome. You just connect your phone with USB. Boom. And yeah, it's good. Always remember it's miles here, not kilometers. Miles. Now it's 30. 30 is it? Is this my turn off? Yeah, it is. My bad. It's nice here, where I stay. Look at the mountain at the back there. People walking and stuff. And awesome here. But yeah, this Peugeot's fixed. I fixed the clunking, sway bar links. I just needed tools. Like the sway bar links were like £13 each, so 26. And then, yeah, if I didn't have to buy tools, it would have just been £26. But it cost me a bit more, man. But what can you do? If you need tools, you got to buy them. I'm going to take a lot back with me anyway, the tools, just put them in my checked baggage. Use them at home, eh? Yeah. Other than that, thanks guys. Another fix from all these mechanics here.